Dear business owners, are you ready to take your business to new height? Well, we have got something special just for you. We are introducing Insnap. With Insnap, you can implement Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central in just 5 days. You heard it right, just 5 days. And guess what? It is solution on the cloud, which means access your business data from anywhere and on any application. Say goodbye to being tied down to your desk. And here is the kickers. It is affordable as your favorite cup of coffee. Forget about breaking the bank with expensive ERP solution. Insnaps give you all the power of Microsoft D365 Business Central at a fraction of the cost. And wait, there is more. Insnap is scalable, affordable and future ready with AI-enabled technology. It is the trader's first choice for ERP solution. It is a tailor-made for dealers, distributors and traders. Whether you are a small business or large enterprise, Insnaps can get you covered. So what are you waiting for? Join thousands of the businesses already thriving with Business Central. Contact us today to learn more and start your journey towards success with Insnap, rapid implementation of Business Central. Thank you.